Today I am trying the Wyler's Light Strawberry Lemonade flavor. This is to put into your water. Today I'm going to be testing this with you to see if it actually tastes good. Here are a quick glance of the calories on the back and all your nutritions. And that's a demo of how to pour it in your water. So first you're going to need to drink your water down. You could use any brand of water. You could still get your water in doing it this way, but you're just adding a little more flavor for the ones that are tired of drinking water, but you still want to get your water in. So we're going to drink it down some. All right, so once you got your water drunk down some and you leave you enough cushion to shake it up, you're going to pour your package in your water. So you're going to open up your packet, and this is what it looks like. And then you're going to grab you a pack, and then you could feel where the powder is. So the powder is all the way down here. So the powder is right here. No, so up here is just air, all up here. And then the powder is down here. So it doesn't come with a lot. So what you're going to do, and it says strawberry lemonade right there. So you're going to cut this open, and we'll be back with that. So once you get your packet cut open, I did cut it off camera, you'll pour it into your water. So I don't know if you could see it, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And then you're going to just pour it in your water. So you're going to grab your water, and you're going to just pour it in, all of it. You want to make sure it's all in. Kind of tap the bottle a little bit, and then you could just throw this away. And then it does smell like strawberries, so you're gonna hurry and put the top on it so you won't spill it. And then make sure it's tight. Make sure the top is on tight, but not tight to where you're struggling getting the top off, and then you're gonna have to just shake it up. So once you shake it up, you're gonna see bubbles. So you can shake it up as much as you need. So if you're starting to taste more of this than the water, you can always shake it up, because you could tell at the bottom. Like, I think I shook it up pretty good, but normally you can look at the bottom and tell you to shake it good, because you'll start seeing the little powder down there. But once you shake it up really good, and this is nice and cold, so I don't know if you like your waters cold or not, but sometimes I don't prefer drinking it cold, but we're going to show you in this demo. So then once you shake it up, you're going to taste it to see if it tastes good for you. Yep, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. It does taste like strawberry lemonade. It does. It is really, really good. So this is something that you could still use if you want to get your water in, but you don't want plain water. Because like sometimes I will drink my water, but I be having those moments where I'm like, I am so tired of drinking water. Like, I still want to get my water in, but I just so tired of drinking my water. So that's when I start going with the flavor packs. Now this does have 8, but it has 7 now, because I did a demo for you guys in this water. So you can use any brand of water, but this is actually really good if you want to still get your water in, like I said, but you don't want, but you want something other than just plain water. I know people add their lemon to water, but I'm just talking about if you want something with flavor. I'm not talking about something with like a little spice, like a little lemon. I'm talking about if you want something with flavor. So these are really, really good. So you could buy these anywhere at your local grocery store. But I really do recommend these, because I try. Now, if you don't want the packages like these, They do have them in the liquid form that you could keep in the refrigerator as well. I'll try to pop up a picture, but like I said, you could do these in liquid, or you could do these in the packages in the powder like this one. I prefer both. I'm more of a liquid type than the powder, because sometimes if you're not aiming it in there correctly, the powder can get everywhere before it gets in your drink. So, but they do have these in a liquid as well. They're gonna be at your local grocery store, but they're not gonna be in a refrigerator or anything. They're just kind of gonna be off on the side, kind of towards the water or towards the little Gatorade and drinks and stuff like that you could put. But these are my go-to. I got these in almost every flavor. They come in grape, strawberry, kiwi, watermelon. I think they have these in like iced tea. They have more flavors of these, so if you don't necessarily want this flavor, you can also try a different flavor. There are some other flavors that they do have. I'm just gonna hold them up. So they have this one, iced tea. They have berry blue. They have berry blue. I have two Hawaiian fruit punches. So they have Hawaiian fruit punch. And like I said, Hawaiian fruit punch. I love Hawaiian fruit punch, as you can see, because I picked up 3 of these. But they have them in other flavors as well. So if you want a certain flavor, you are more than welcome to get them in a certain flavor. But I decided to go with the strawberry lemonade for today. But that's basically how you do it. You just pour them in your water. Maybe drink your water down some so you have time, so that way you have room to shake it up. Pour it in your water, shake it up, drink it, you're good to go. You just drink it like regular water. Drink it like regular water. And you could drink it now, or you could put it in the fridge for later. Like, I might drink this as later as well. Or I might put it back in the fridge, or if you think it's too cold, you can leave it sitting out and let it cool down and then drink it. That's what I might do, because I like it cold, but not cold. So however you want to do it. But this is the strawberry lemonade Wyler's Light packages, 8 single to go packages, well now 7, to put in your water, so that way you can have a little bit of flavor this summer, because it is going to be hot. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about these packages? What do you think about the strawberry lemonade Wyler's Light? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on your all bell notifications.